Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can set up Zoho Mail with cPanel hosting. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. Before starting, make sure that you have cPanel access and Zoho Mail subscription. This allows you to use your custom domain for your professional emails. So first, you will log into your Zoho Mail admin console and make sure that you already have a domain, but if you don't have one yet, then buy one. And after that, you will add domain, and you should see the domains feature here if you do have the full version or the full access to Zoho. So you do have to make sure that you do have that. And once you see that domain feature, you will just have to click it, and then you will click add domain, and then you will verify your domain using the TXT record provided by Zoho. And after that, you will log into your cPanel, and then you will click zone editor, and then you will add record and paste the TXT record that Zoho provided you. Okay, and that's clear. And then after that, you will just have to go back to your Zoho Mail, and then you will click verify. And finally, you will update MX records in cPanel using the Zoho Mail MX values to start receiving email. And yeah, that's basically just it. And again, double check records to avoid email delivery issues. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.